Did you know that the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to have a camera that can capture images with a resolution of 200 megapixels? Yeah, you heard that right. This phone is set to blow our minds with its insane specs and features. Stick around to find out what else it's packing. Hey there, tech lovers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This beast of a smartphone is making waves in the smartphone market, and for good reason. With its cutting-edge technology and features, it's shaping up to be a game-changer. Let's explore what makes this flagship stand out from its predecessors. Now, let's take a moment to talk about some common challenges we face with smartphones today. Battery life that barely lasts through the day, cameras that struggle in low light, and processing power that lags when multitasking. Frustrating, right? It seems like every year we're promised improvements, but do they really deliver? Well, that's where the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra comes into play. It aims to tackle these issues head-on and provide users with an experience that really shines. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty of what the S25 Ultra has to offer. First up is its camera technology. With that jaw-dropping 200 megapixel sensor, you'll be capturing stunning photos that rival professional gear. Plus, with advanced features like enhanced night mode and 8K video recording, your content will look better than ever. And let's not forget about the display. The S25 Ultra boasts a massive 6.9-inch AMOLED screen with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, ensuring that everything from scrolling to gaming is buttery smooth. On the performance side, it's powered by the latest Snapdragon chip, making it super fast and efficient. Compared to the S24, this model takes it up a notch with not just speed but also improved battery optimization, so you can enjoy all that power without draining the battery too quickly. Now, here's the moment we've all been waiting for, the most exciting feature of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Drumroll, please. It's the AI-powered photo editing. Imagine snapping a picture and then having the phone automatically enhance it, adjust lighting, and even remove unwanted objects, all in a matter of seconds. This feature is going to revolutionize how we take and share photos. No more fiddling around with complex editing apps. The S25 Ultra does it all for you, making everyone look like a pro photographer. So, to sum it all up, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is packed with groundbreaking features and innovations that are set to elevate the smartphone experience. From its incredible camera capabilities to its stunning display and powerful performance, it's clear that Samsung is pushing the boundaries of what we can expect from a smartphone. I can't wait to see how it impacts the market and what it means for users like us. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? Are you excited about its features, or do you think it's just another phone? Drop your opinions in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tech reviews and updates. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's keep exploring the world of technology together.